And it's currently 11:30 at umandar na yung pila. Yay! So excited! Let's go! Okay, and papasok na tayo. Actually, 1 p.m. na. Grabe. So registration daw muna. Then after this photo booth, then pipila ulit para pasukin na. So yeah. Daming tao. Yay, done registration. So for the pink stub daw is for the giveaway later. Tago lang daw. And no QR code sa mga pictures ng event. So ito daw is pila for for merch ng Sterling. Then first 200 slots lang daw may fan meet kay Bini. Yan. So isang set daw dapat yung bibilin nyo na notebook. Yan like hawak ni ate. Then may photo card rin siya. Ano, pero hindi tayo nakaabot. Pero okay lang. And here's the photo booth. Oh, nice. Pero nga ba, may pila ba? Wala ata. So pila tayo. Wait lang. Yan. So after the photo booth, pila na tayo. Para mauna tayo. And time check, it's currently 1:13 p.m. at mahaba yung pila. This is the queue para makapasok na tayo and makahanap ng seats since paunahan daw sa seats. Grabe. Anyway, let's hope for the best sa magandang seats na makuha natin. So, see you on the next video.